This is our 2025 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road with the premium package and iForce Max engine.
So we have about 1,000 miles on this so far and owned it about a month now. So we learned about a few things what we like and don't like, and we're going to share it with you.
Let's get into it. We are loving these 18-inch wheels that come specific to the hybrid. This is a 265/70 tire Falcon. It has an 18-inch wheel, which the non-hybrids have a 17-inch wheel. So we are totally enjoying just that little bit bigger setup that comes specific with the iForce Max. Here's a feature that I actually thought I was not gonna like when we got this truck, and it's the automatic tailgate. You have a key fob to open and close it, as well as both sides of the truck there's a button to open and close it, and there's a button in the driver's seat in the truck to open and close it. This actually has been a really convenient feature, as if I'm sitting in the driver's seat and I need to open the bed for someone, I can do it right from there. On both sides of the truck, like I said, so easy to get to. And if your hands are full, you just give it a knee and it'll close for you. I wanted a tailgate that I could slam shut, but after having this truck, this feature is awesome. Now, the next thing that we love about this truck is our 120 volt outlet. That is one of the big reasons that we wanted to get the hybrid. We wanted to be able to make coffee, which we already have done, and we are loving it. And we wanted to be able to cook some meals out here while we're camping and while we're outside. And this thing is great. This is a small feature, but I love having power to that rear window and being able to open and close it with just one switch.
These bed lights are awesome to turn on when you unlock the truck or when you open the tailgate. These cameras are pretty cool, and that's the whole reason why we got the premium package, so we could see the bed and have the cameras to see the whole truck. So with the premium package, there's a lot of technology and a lot of cameras. All these cameras are going to come in very handy. You got back, front, side, and down. This is specific to us. I have an Android and M has an iPhone. So what's awesome is that we both can use our phones at the same time. So when I'm on Android Auto, M could do music, connect by Bluetooth. So now we're both connected. And vice versa, if she's on CarPlay and I can do Bluetooth for music. I think that's a pro. Talking about CarPlay and Android Auto, this screen is massive, and having this 14-inch screen definitely just makes this truck feel way more premium, hence the premium package. We really like the adaptive cruise control. It makes driving so much easier when we're going to do our road trip, and I didn't know this, but a huge pro is that it steers itself. The next feature we really like is the Toyota app. It can do a lot of things, but the main thing is that you can remote start, lock, and unlock wherever you are, and get to see your tire pressure. So you're never going to go to your truck with a flat tire.
So those were the pros.
And now the cons. We found this interesting on the 4th gen. This wheel well is very exposed. There's all these important cables, and it feels like mud can just cake on here. So we found a solution. Rough Country makes a wheel well cover. We're going to check it out.
We feel like Toyota has put these grab handles in some awkward places. Now, I'm used to grabbing that and getting in, but if this was my first time getting in this truck, I'd be struggling trying to figure out where that is. And on the driver's side, they also have no grab handles, so that's a little annoying. Now, one thing that we're noticing, which is definitely a con, is how scratched up all of our plastic is. This is literally just from, and it's on the other side as well, but it's literally just from putting our coffee cups in here, using the cup holders. Then over here with the wireless charging, this is all scratched up just from placing my phone here. So that's a little bit annoying on such an expensive truck to have all that plastic getting scratched. Another thing is that these retainer clips, that we had already warrantied and gotten replaced are now looking like it's doing the same thing. And as you can tell, it's starting to pop up for some reason, which is super frustrating. And long term, we are not sure what we're going to do about that.
We think the cameras are a big pro, but one of the cons is that you can't record this footage. So you have all these angles, but there's no way to record anything, and you have to get a separate dash camera. Another unfortunate thing is there's two of us, so two drivers, but only one seat setting. There's no way to set it in the truck or in the app. So one con about the hybrid engine is you're not really saving much on gas. I mean, it's not like a Prius or anything, right?
But it is really fun to drive.
That's true.
There is a rattle coming from somewhere back here. We think it's actually coming from this back window here, but we can't get it to stop, and it has been driving us nuts, so it's definitely a con. So those are our pros and our cons. Overall, we love this truck and we would absolutely get it again.
Yeah, none of these cons are like so bad that we are regretting anything. It's just us kind of nitpicking on some of the small details, but this is a awesome Tacoma.
Yeah, we have our first time we're going to be off-roading in this thing coming up here. So please like and subscribe, come along with us on the journey. And we are so excited to start building this thing out.
Yes, we can.